Hey, first hello everyone. So in this video we will show you how you can change your Steam email address very easily. On your Steam website, you can go here and click your account username. Click on that, it will pop up with this menu. Go to account details and scroll a bit down. Here it will show up your email address, and with your change my email address button, you can click that. You can either choose to get a code or talk to Steam support if you don't have access to the email address. For now, I do have access to the email address, so we will choose the first option, and immediately you will get a code on your email address that was associated earlier with your Steam account. You can press the code and press continue, and then you will get the option to change your email address. So put the email address that you want it to change to, and here will show up your current email address. Just click on change email. Here you will receive a code on your newer email address. Paste the code and confirm the email change, and your account has been successfully transferred over to the new email address. I hope this video helps you a lot. If it did, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below and leave a like.